Man is born with creative talents that until now have had very little chance to develop to their full potential. There is practically no human being, if he is normal physically and mentally, who does not have some specific creative ability. This new age of space will enrich man to such an extent that he will have greater vision, greater understanding, and therefore will be a superior human being to what he has been. We are now therefore entering an age of which, until recently, even the most imaginative of dreamers has not even dared to speculate. The question is, will man be prepared for it? It is essential that man be prepared to adapt himself to this new world in which he is now about to enter. Unless he does so prepare himself, he will not only be in danger of not getting all the advantages that this new world would offer him, there is also great danger that the knowledge he will get will be misused, just as a great deal of the knowledge man has found in the past has been misused for destructive purposes.